Yes, welcome to Good Morning Students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So today I am repeating this class of class 5th for chapter 5, Democratic Republic of Congo. Beta, in this chapter I am starting again the natural vegetation and wildlife. In this chapter beta, most part of DRC covered with the dense forest. Acha students, what is that meaning of dense? Dense means difficult to see through. It means ghana. So it means dense forest means ghane jungle. So these forests are evergreen forest. These forests are evergreen forest. Evergreen means the forest which remains green throughout the year. That forest do not shed their leaves seasonally and remain green throughout the year. These trees of forest are very tall and grow close also. See this picture. This is the picture of dense forest, and these type of forest have they form a canopy at the top. What is that meaning of canopy? Cover formed by the top of trees. Cover formed by the top of trees. As a result, sunlight does not reach the ground. It means it is very heavy forest, so इसकी sunlight डायरेक्टली ग्राउंड पर नहीं पहुंचती एंड डार्क इन द फॉरेस्ट इवन ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम. These trees found are ebony, mahogany and rosewood. These are the main trees of evergreen forest. Apart from these trees, a forest also have a large variety of creepers, climbers and shrubs. What is that meaning of creepers? Creeper means beta a plant that grows up tree or wall along the ground. These type of plants are called creepers. Now come to that climbers. Climbers are the plant which is climb up the tree and other tall objects. Okay, and the shrub, what is that meaning of shrub? Yeah, which kind of plants are shrub? A woody plant which is smaller than a tree. These are the creepers, climbers and shrubs. So there are about 6,000 different type of plants found in DRC. DRC means Democratic Republic of Congo. And where it is located? It is located in the Africa continent. So Venus flytrap. Beta, what is that flytrap? Flytrap are the trap for catching flies. And insectivirus plant is also found here. What is that meaning of insectivirus? Insectivirus plant is able to capture and digest the insect. These are the plants who captured the animal or insect, capture the insect and digest the insect, are also found in a evergreen forest. And see this forest. Look at this. This is a very dense and very heavy also. So due to a dense variety of forest, are widely variety of birds, animal are found in DRC. What is that meaning of DRC? Democratic Republic of Congo. Some important animals are found here, like chimpanzee, bonobo, mountain gorilla, elephant, white rhinoceros and okapi. See this in first picture, okapi. Okapi is a very unique animal. Unique animal means very special animal. See this okapi which looks like a giraffe from the top. ये ऊपर से कैसा लग रहा है? जिराफ जैसा. And zebra from the bottom. See his legs. It look like a zebra. Numerous other animals, all baboons, lions, hyenas, hippopotamus tigers, leopard, antelopes are also found in this DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. Apart from this, many species of birds like pelican, flamingo, duck, goose are also found here, and many reptiles also. Beta, what is that meaning of reptiles? Yes, reptile animal, that cold blooded animal and a skin has covered in scales. Tell me that the reptiles animals name, like a snake, crocodile, alligator are also found in DRC. And this fly are found also in forest, cause sleeping sickness of people. See in this picture, that is a pelican, flamingo, crocodile and alligator. Due to excessive poaching and hunting. What is that meaning of poaching? Poaching means to hunt animals illegally. Beta, in this forest, in this DRC or in evergreens forest, the people are living in this area, they have hunt the animals. वो क्या करते हैं? एनिमल्स का शिकार करते हैं इलीगली, यानी कि गैर कानूनी तरीके से. एंड मैनी एनिमल्स इन दिस फॉरेस्ट आर डेंजर टू बिकम एक्सटिंक्ट. एक्सटिंक्ट मीन्स फिनिश होने वाले हैं. एंड हंटिंग मीन्स killing wild animal for food. The people who are living here, they are killing the animals. Why they are killing? For the food. So the people who of DRC kill many animals, and for the, it called a bush meat. Bush meat means meat of wild animals. Have you got my point? What is that meaning of bush meat? Meat of wild animals. To protect the conserve wild animals, protect means to save the wild animals, the government of DRC has set up many wild reservoirs and national park. So to save this animal, government has made a many reservoirs and wildlife national park also. So next time, the life of people. Listen beta, in this chapter we are reading now the people who are living in DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. We are just reading about what kind of life of people here. So DRC is a thinly populated, means बहुत कम populated है. Most of the people lives in village, and only about 1/3 of population lives in town and city also. And there is a large number of tribes. Who's the tribes? What is that meaning of tribes? A tribes are group of people or community. What is that meaning of tribe? A group or community which with the similar ancestor, custom and tradition. बेटा ट्राइब्स मीन्स इनका एक अलग लैंग्वेज होती है, एक अलग कस्टम होता है, एक अलग ड्रेस होती है, एक अलग ट्रेडिशन होता है. एंड दे ऑल्सो लिविंग द विलेज, and they also speak a Bantu language. Which language they are speak? Bantu language. And they are tall and curly hair. Have you seen this pygmies? And they are tall and curly. Curly means घुंघराले बाल. They are fond of music and dance, and they also follow a tradition of lifestyle, wear colorful dresses. You also like it na, colorful dresses? Just like you, the Bantu peoples are wearing a colorful dresses. They mostly live in village which are located along river or near mines. Beta, those who are village people, they are located nearby any river or any water body or a mines. Mines means a place where digging the ground, जहाँ पर mines like iron mines, other mines में they are nearby, they are living. Another group of tribal people known as pygmies. These are the deep forest, and these people are short in height and less than 5 feet. They are mostly in Ituri forest of northeast. They still stayed a primitive life and moved from one place to another in search of food. Acha, listen beta, what is that meaning of primitive life? Very simple and not developed life. The people who are living in DRC and pygmies, they are living a very primitive life, very simple and not very developed, and they are moving from one place to another in search of food. So in today's class we are take rest the class of this here. So in the next class we can read again. Watch the video very carefully and calmly. Thank you so much, students.